With your new Fendt Vario tractor, you're taking a decisive step towards the future. Your dealer is not just handing you a tractor key, but rather the key to the new future-oriented work with the FendtONE operating concept. This means you're not only efficient on your tractor, but you can also plan, organize and document your work from the comfort of your home or office. Because with FendtONE, on and offboard become one. Because one thing is simple: FendtONE. Have you already registered for FendtONE offboard? Then we welcome you to the home page. From here you can access various important functions of the portal. It is easy and intuitive because the operation in offboard utilizes the same symbols and interface as the terminals on your FendtONE tractor. Within the Machines tile, you can add machines and implements. Additionally, the status of the task dock and connect connections can be assessed. Use the Teams tile to add and manage team members. The Fields tile holds your field boundaries and way lines and enables management of these. The Task Dock Create Tasks tile allows for the creation and sending of tasks, for example, to your new FendtONE tractor. Machines, team members and fields can be easily linked to a task here. Furthermore, optimized way lines can be created for your fieldwork. Finished tasks appear in the Task Dock Reports tile, where a detailed analysis of processes can be done. Time taken, products applied and machinery information can also be visualized on a map. The Map Plus tile is also interesting because here you not only see the live locations of your Fendt machines, you can also navigate directly to your fields, machines or other destinations. Finally, the Fendt Explained tile offers helpful how-to videos that guide you step-by-step through FendtONE on and offboard. We wish you a pleasant time with FendtONE. One thing is simple: FendtONE.